Begin our forecast with a look around the East Coast. It has been snowy just about everywhere. That's New York City. They had their first snow day for students in I don't know how long. It's been a long time. And then look at this. We're in Pennsylvania where they're also seeing snow and cold temperatures. Really millions of people under this blizzard warning we've seen for the last 24 hours. That's a look at Allentown, Pennsylvania. Chief Meteorologist Todd Howell joining us now with more on what we're seeing here. We're getting the cold, not the snow, except in the high country, Todd.
Yeah, 3 feet of snow in Providence, Rhode Island with 60-mile-per-hour gusts, blizzard warnings, and you saw that video from New York. They treat the roads very well. They get after it, absolutely. So they've gotten a lot of snow. You may look at that and say, oh, not too bad. No, they got a lot of snow. They've just plowed it, and they've treated it in an impressive way up there in New York City. So here's what we're seeing right now. In Knoxville, we've had flurries. We've got the cold temperatures. Some of you saw a dusting of light snow from last night and earlier today. And here's what we're seeing in Knoxville, holding steady at 29 degrees, but it feels like 20 outside.